Welcome to the channel, everybody. So we are in my studio, and this is going to be my first real attempt at a vlog of some type. And I'm doing this video for three major reasons. And the first reason is I want to explain what is going on with the YouTube channel right now. The second is I wanted to toy with my camera setup with my vlog stuff and see how I do and see how it looks and see how it sounds, so that when I start vlogging, which is something I plan on doing, when I start vlogging, I'll know how to have everything set up and, all that stuff. And the third reason I wanted to do this video is because my mustache was looking extra creep today, and I was like, I gotta show that thing off. Anyway, so getting to where the YouTube channel is going. If you've looked at the YouTube channel before, if you've gone back and looked at the super cringeworthy videos that I posted at the very beginning, you'll notice that it's different now. So what I do now is I do these short little racing videos, little drifting videos, and I do that all. I have a little simulator set up. I do all that on there, and then I edit everything and then post it. I have some music that I put in there and edit it all down and post it. It's something that I can do like fairly quick, and it doesn't take a lot of time. It doesn't require a lot of resources and long days of editing and stuff like that. So that's why I do those videos like that. But where the YouTube channel is going is kind of in that direction of what you're seeing with those little racing videos. I want to kind of take these, or I kind of want to put more videos, like vlog videos, up, and have the topic be more automotive style things. So I want to do the daily vlog kind of stuff and potentially get into some kind of car later and, maybe drive it and review it and stuff like that. So that's kind of the direction I want to go. And that has been inspired by a couple YouTube channels. So the reason that I actually have started the YouTube channel in general was because I came across a channel called Neebs Gaming, quite a few years ago, and so they got me inspired to start a YouTube channel. So that's why I have all this like crazy stuff. I've spent a fortune on computer stuff, and so that's really who got me started on this. The other channel that has got me on this path that I'm on right now is Daily Driven Exotics. I love that channel. That Neebs Gaming and Daily Driven Exotics are tied for first as far as I'm concerned, in the channels that I love. But the Daily Driven Exotics side of it has made me want to kind of do some similar things. Now I don't want to get into where like I'm copying anybody or anything like that. I want to do my own thing, that's inspired by a few things that I really love and that I really want to do. So one of these things that I really want to do, I'm going to have a co-partner in this whole deal once everything is, once I have everything kind of rolling and off the ground. And what I would like us to do is to be able to go on these little trips, similar to what James May, Jeremy Clarkson, and Richard Hammond do on Grand Tour and what they did on Top Gear. I want to do something very, very similar to that, where we go buy like a random cheap car and then just take off and let's see what happens, But that, and also I want to get into the exotic side. Now I know that is a crazy, like that's kind of far fetched, but I mean that's ultimately where I want to end up, and so I have a clear idea of what I want. So I'm just going to keep chasing that as long as I can. And I didn't want to prolong this any longer. I wanted to get going and just get at it. Like, just start going and let's just see what happens, see where I end up. So that's where the YouTube channel is going. It's going to be going in that kind of direction. Now, I'll still be doing some gaming stuff, especially on my Twitch channel, because this is not going to take off overnight. So it's not like I'm going to be like, oh, tomorrow I'm gone. I'm driving across the country and doing stupid stuff and filming it. It's not going to be anything like that. I'll still be doing Twitch stuff. I'll still be doing little YouTube videos here and there. And we'll just kind of see what happens going forward. So that kind of goes hand in hand with the checking the vlogging stuff. So that's why I have a external microphone hooked up to this camera right here, and I'm using a Sony ZV-1. It is a pretty amazing camera. I'm super happy with it. I have a few little accessories that I'm ordering for it. I use it for my streams, and it's amazing. I love it. Like, I've been messing with this. You've probably seen me waving it around here. But this is the like little vlog handle that it comes with. It's also a little tripod. This is turning into a camera review. But this is I'm gonna be using this, and I've also ordered a if I'm pronouncing this right, Ulanzi. Maybe I'm pronouncing that correctly, or maybe not. It's a wide angle lens, so that when I'm vlogging with this, the wide angle lens like gets a little bit more of the area around me. So yeah, that's kind of that's really where I want to. That's really what I wanted to do with this video, is kind of let people know what I'm gonna be doing and just kind of get that out there. One thing I do want to mention today, right now, today is the 30th of March, and on the 3rd of April, I will be doing a actual. I don't know how it's gonna go yet, but I can't speak. I'll be doing a driving experience in a Lamborghini Gallardo, and that will be my first experience in a supercar ever. So I'm gonna film that. I'm gonna vlog it at the best of my abilities, because this is gonna be something brand new. So please bear with me when watching this stuff, because I know this is probably pretty cringe right now, kind of like some of my other videos that are on my YouTube channel. But I will be doing the vlogging of that, and I'll also be doing at the same time live streaming it to my Twitch channel from my phone, if everything goes according to plan. So we'll see. So that will be this Saturday, April 3rd at the actual driving experience takes place at 10:30, but I will be starting a little earlier, maybe 9:30 or somewhere thereafter. So if you want to tune in for that, be sure to tune in. Put the Twitch channel somewhere here or somewhere here. I'm not sure yet. I have to figure that out when editing the video. Like I said, this will be the first like vlog video that I'll edit, so we'll see how that goes. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I would like to tell you. Oh, so on my Twitch channel, I do all kinds of stuff. I do games. I have all kinds of different games, but I also do podcasts as well. I've started venturing out into that. So if there's any topic that you would like me to cover, or like if you want to discuss, hop in the Twitch channel whenever you see me go live doing a podcast, and just like come in and like ask a question, say hey, whatever, it doesn't matter. Be more than happy to talk to you. I have a very good friend who's gonna come, or he did it in the last video. He's gonna be coming to do the next video whenever we do a podcast, and we'll be doing it right here. I have a little podcast station set up right here, and yeah, I love doing podcasts. They're so much fun, just sitting there talking back and forth, filming it. You feel like Joe Rogan when you're doing it. But that's one thing I want to do. And if there's anything else that you guys want to see on the channel, like if you have any ideas, or if you're like, hey, I like this, or hey, I don't like this, let me know. I would be more than happy to, read those comments and, kind of learn from you guys what you like, what you dislike, and we'll just kind of go from there and just kind of see if we can build this up and make it successful. I'm super excited. I'm super nervous. If you can't already tell, I'm like really nervous doing this video. That's why this is a 10-minute video so far, and I'm like rambling a lot. So get used to that, because I'll probably be doing that quite a bit. But like I said, that's where this YouTube channel is going to start going. And I hope it become somewhat successful so that I can provide you with better and more crazy content, because that's the kind of level I want to get to. I want to get to doing some crazy stuff and just kind of see what happens, see what kind of dumb stuff I can do. But anyway, so like I said, if there's anything that you guys want to see, let me know. If you have any preferences on cars, something you may want to see in the future, also let me know, because I'm already on the hunt for some vehicles. I'm already on the hunt for some people who have the vehicles that I can go look at and like maybe get a ride along, get some videos of cold starts, all that kind of stuff. So we'll see. I got a few things on the line that may work, they may not. We'll see what happens. It's no big deal if it doesn't. But it's just gonna be a loosey goosey kind of thing, and I don't know how it's gonna go. So if you want to come along for this journey, I'll be more than happy for you to come along. So thank you guys if you made it this far in this video. Thanks, I appreciate it. It means a lot. It really does. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.